that, I was told that the auto industry is like the Hotel California. You can check in, you can never check out. And so it is that after 4 decades, my journey with the auto industry continues. And I recall when I first took the job with the then distributor of Toyota in the Philippines, I told myself that I would give it 5 years and move on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the longest 5 years of my life, and I must say that it continues to be as much fun today as it was on my first day on the job. Before going further, allow me to extend a very warm and hopefully dry welcome to all the participants, exhibitors, and special guests of Lake EV Expo 2025. To our foreign guests, mabuhay and welcome to the Philippines, where it is more fun. I was informed by the organizers that they are expecting a good turnout of buyers from across the region, and I am very, very excited about this prospect. The ASEAN region is one of the most vibrant in the world. It has a comparatively young population of about 670 million people across 10 member countries with an average median age of 30.4 years. Its combined gross domestic product, or GDP, makes it the 5th largest economy in the world, growing about 4 to 5% every year. ASEAN